I was in Minneapolis recently and I got asked if I'd ever considered switching back to loops after using the microscope for 9 years. And honestly, that would feel like trading my SUV in for a pedal bike. You all know how hard it was to learn how to drive, to spend the hours with your parents in the car, and to go to driver's education, and on top of it all, to buy a car is actually super expensive. But the freedom that that technology afforded you, well, it was worth every penny and minute spent in training. Here's the thing, restorative dentists have been pedaling really hard and for a really long time to keep the mental stress and physical strain of modern restorative challenges at bay. And a lot of times it can feel like it's all uphill. Let me invite you to stop pedaling and to start pursuing a more rewarding path to mastering your craft, and a path back to the joy of dentistry. Welcome to Master the Microscope, the world's first comprehensive online microscope course for the restorative dentist. Through engaging lessons and clinical videos like you've never seen before, you'll learn everything you need to know about the dental microscope fast. Unlock the power to instantaneously photograph and record exactly what you see, work in supreme comfort, and enjoy the ultimate versatility of flexible magnification and coaxial lighting. Look, I wouldn't be here if I didn't believe the microscope could change dentistry forever. The power to share your eyes with the world and what they see and what you can do through them, it's exciting and it's waiting for you. So come on, let's master the microscope together.